Hey, I'm Andy Fling, the founder of MakingMusicFun.net. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play hot cross buns on the recorder. Click the link in the description to get the free sheet music, and let's get started. Hot Cross Buns is a 3-note song. B, A, and G. Some of you might already know these notes. For other kids, they're brand new. We'll start by learning the notes and fingerings, then we'll learn the song. The first note we'll learn is a B. To play a B, you cover the back hole with your thumb and the first front hole with your index finger. It sounds like this. Let's try it together. Ready, play. Again, play. The next note is an A. To play an A, you cover the back hole with your thumb, the first front hole with your index finger, and the second hole with your middle finger. It sounds like this. Let's try it together. Ready, play. Again, ready, play. The third note is a G. To play a G, you cover the back hole with your thumb, the first hole with your index finger, the second hole with your middle finger, and the third hole with your ring finger. It sounds like this. Let's try it together. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. If any of the notes didn't sound right, check to see if your fingers are completely covering the holes. Press your fingers into the recorder and then check to see if the recorder holes made perfect circles. Grab your sheet music. It's time to learn Hot Cross Buns. Hot Cross Buns starts with 2 half notes. Half notes get 2 beats or 2 taps of your foot. The first note is a B, played with your thumb and index finger. The second note is played with your thumb, index finger, and middle finger. It sounds like this. Let's try it together. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. The third note is a G, which is played with your thumb and 3 fingers. It's a whole note. Whole notes last for 4 beats or 4 taps of your foot. It sounds like this. Let's try it together. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Let's put the first 2 measures together. B, A, G. It sounds like this. Let's try it. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Compare measures 1 and 2 to measures 3 and 4. Do they look the same or different? That's right. They're the same. Let's try measures 3 and 4. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. You're doing great. Let's put both phrases together. B, A, G, B, A, G. Let's try it together. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. If you've been looking ahead, you've seen that measures 7 and 8 are the same too. That means you already know 3/4 of the song. Woohoo! Let's practice measures 7 and 8, and then we'll go back to learn measures 5 and 6. Ready, play. One more time. Ready, play. Let's check out measures 5 and 6 now, and then we'll put the whole song together. Measure 5 has 4 quarter notes. Quarter notes get 1 beat or 1 tap of your foot. All 4 notes are also Gs. I'll show you what to do, and then we can play it together. Let's try it together. Ready? Play. Again, go. Measure 6 also has 4 quarter notes. This time the 4 quarter notes are all A's. They sound like this. Let's try it together. Ready? Play. One more time. Ready? Play. Now let's put measures 5 and 6 together. G, 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 A, 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 A. They sound like this. Let's try it together. Ready? Play. One more time. Ready? Play. You're ready to try playing Hot Cross Buns from beginning to end. I'll show you what it sounds like all the way through, and then we can try it together. Let's try it together. Ready? Play. Way to go! You're on your way to becoming a recorder superstar.